Hi guys! So this is where we left off last video, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. Today we're going to talk about the first and probably the most important block in Scratch, which is the when flag click block. Before we do that though, I want to actually introduce you to this workspace. First of all, this right here, it says a Scratch cat. Okay, this is what will do the program. So if you tell it to move 5 steps, this is where you will see it move 5 steps. This bit right here, we're going to ignore for right now, and I'll explain what that is later. This is the workspace right here, and this is where you actually will write the code or drag the code. These are the possible blocks that you can use, and this is usually what we're going to be talking about specifically. So today, like I said, we're going to talk about the when flag clicked. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down past looks, past sound, which is like this pinky blocks. We're going to go to events, which is this gold colored block. Right underneath the actual word events, the first block you will see is when flag clicked. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to drag it onto the main space. This is, like I said, the most important block. And if you don't use this, with some exceptions, the program won't run. So what you need to do is basically what it does is this little flag button, as you can see, this one right here and this one are the same. So what happens in Scratch is when you want to see your program run, so like I said, if you want the cat to move 10 steps, you will write that here, or you will take that block here, then you will click this green flag, and this is where the Scratch cat will walk 10 spaces. Obviously, it didn't do anything because underneath the when flag clicked, it doesn't have anything, but I wanted to show you an example. So let's go up all the way to the motion blocks. Underneath motion, the first block you will see is move 10 steps. And since I was using that as an example, I will use that as an example for now. I'll drag it onto the main space, okay, right here. Let's see if it will work now. Okay, I want it to move 10 steps. It's kind of self-explanatory. It will literally walk 10 steps. Okay, so let's click the flag and see what happens. And nothing happens. Here's why. Because in Scratch, it's kind of like Lego, and if you don't click the blocks together, it won't actually run. So what we have to do is we're going to drag this move 10 steps right underneath here. Do you see this gray area right here? That's where it wants you to leave it. And now see how it's connected? It's a cute Lego house thing. So right underneath when flag clicked, it says move 10 steps. Let's see if it will work now. Look, every time I click the flag, it moves. So yes, it's working. Okay, so guys, good job. This is the first program ever, and I hope we'll see you next time. Bye.